Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the Envdte Library DLL error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. For professional-grade Envdte library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Envdte library, the Visual Studio Automation Object Model, Envdte. It facilitates localized programmatic control over the Visual Studio IDE, essential for localized 3D plugins and localized build scripts to interact with the localized VS environment. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Reinstalling Visual Studio is the most effective fix. Download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers from Microsoft and run them. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Envdte library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Installing an unverified version of Envdte Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Envdte Library and PC Health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Envdte library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.